At this time, our virtual desktop is now loading. After a few seconds, the desktop will load up. If you get an initial message about the networks, just go ahead and click No. And then after about 30 seconds to a minute, the server will be ready to use. Now that my server is fully loaded, I must make a few small changes before I can start using it. Let's go ahead and click on the Start menu icon in the lower left-hand corner. And we want to choose the Server Manager. Go ahead and close out this button here. And we'll choose Local Server. The settings we need to change here are the time zone, and we need to disable the enhanced security. On the right hand side, we have IE enhanced security that's currently turned on. Go ahead and click on the word on. It will bring up a pop-up window where we can choose to turn it off for administrators and hit OK. And then right below that is the time zone. Currently it's set to the universal time. We're going to go ahead and change that to Eastern Standard Time. Click on Change Time Zone. And from the drop-down box, we will scroll up and find UTC -5. Here it is, Eastern Time, US and Canada. Hit OK, and hit OK once more. And now the time in your server should match the actual time. We could go ahead and close out of Server Manager at this point. We have now set up the virtual server for use. You can go ahead and install any applications that you need to install and use it like you would a normal desktop. When you're finished working for the day, make sure you shut down the server. This is very important because you don't want to run out of credits by leaving it on for long periods of time. Shutting down the server is just like shutting down your personal computer at home. We're going to click on the Start menu and then click on the little power icon. Choose Shut Down. And now a little pop-up box will come up. Because this is a server, we need to explain why we're shutting down. It's okay to leave the default of Other Unplanned, and then go ahead and hit Continue. This will shut down the server and bring you back to the AWS console, where I can go ahead and close out of my connection window. Now you notice the server is still running in the background, but if you check back in about 2 minutes, it should be shut down. And now I've verified that the server is completely stopped. I can then go ahead and log out of the Amazon Web Services and close out of the tab.